Plus 2 class. Next topic is endosperm development. As we have discussed in previous video, during double fertilization there is formation of primary endosperm nucleus. Let us discuss about primary endosperm nucleus. If we talk about primary endosperm nucleus, then it is triploid in nature. We are talking about the angiosperm. In gymnosperm it is haploid, and if we talk about the gymnosperm, in gymnosperm endosperm represent the female gametophyte. Then how the development of this primary endosperm nucleus take place? There are three types of endosperm. First is nuclear endosperm. Second is cellular endosperm, and third is halobial endosperm. First is nuclear endosperm. It is clear from the diagram. This is the cell having the primary endosperm nucleus. This is primary endosperm nucleus, and these are vacuoles. First case is division of this nucleus as well as growth, continuous division without formation of cell wall. Next is further growth, and now a vacuole develop in the center. This is the development of vacuole, and this vacuole pushes the nucleus containing cytoplasm towards the periphery. This is first process, second, third. In the fourth process, there is thickening of cytoplasm. Along with thickening of cytoplasm, the size of vacuole gets shortened. आप यहाँ परमिटिव एम्ब्रियो भी दिखा सकते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ oosphere. यहाँ उसकी थोड़ी डेवलपमेंट भी हम दिखा सकते हैं, but our main focus is on the formation of endosperm. First is, this is the primary endosperm nucleus. This is the cell having the primary endosperm nucleus. Constant division of the nucleus without formation of cell wall. Then development of vacuole. These vacuole push the cytoplasm containing the nucleus at the periphery, and then thickening of cytoplasm. When the cytoplasm thickened, vacuole gets shortened, and now there is formation of cells by formation of septum or the cell wall. This hole is filled with cellular structure. This is called nuclear endosperm. For example, in wheat, rice, all the monocot plants, mostly cereal, they are having this type of endosperm. Let us talk about the coccus nucifera, that is coconut. कोकोनट में जो ऊपर आप उतारते हो फूस जिसको बोलते हो, दैट इज द स्क्लेरम काइमेटस टिश्यू. उसके बाद अगर कोकोनट की बात करते हैं, कोकोनट में जो आप व्हाइट कलर का ले रहे हो उसमें सेलुलर डिवीजन कंप्लीट हो गई है, दैट इज द सेलुलर एंडोस्पर्म. और जो कोकोनट वाटर है, जो उसमें वाटर है, दैट इज द रिच सोर्स ऑफ मिनरल न्यूट्रिएंट्स, दैट इज फ्री न्यूक्लियर एंडोस्पर्म, जिसमें अभी भी न्यूक्लियस है विदाउट एनी साइटोप्लाज्मिक डिवीजन. That is free nuclear endosperm. This is all about the nuclear endosperm. Next is cellular endosperm. In the cellular endosperm, suppose we talk about, this is the primary endosperm nucleus, that is the triploid, and all these divisions, they are mitosis, then division of it, and each division is followed by formation of cell wall. There is no such cell which is having more than one nucleus. This is called cellular endosperm. As the white of coconut that is having the cellular endosperm. Then next we talk about halobial endosperm.